Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you passion fruit and ginger kombucha which I bought in local shop today. So let's try them. First of all, ginger kombucha. Oh yeah, you can feel some ginger, some sparkling. I don't know how natural it is, but taste is horrible. I can feel some sweetener, so I don't like to buy it. Passion fruit, and it is no color. It's very strange transparency and taste horrible as well. So I don't know how you can buy it, how you can drink. If you like kombucha, if you want to drink normal kombucha, you should do it by yourself. You see, it's grow in this big jar from real bacteria and real fungi and from air, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how kombucha should look like. You made it, for example, from the tea. This is taste amazing. So this is real kombucha. See, and the color right, like a dark colored bitter, amazing taste. So this is the proper kombucha, not this horrible cans. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting video. Thank you. Bye.